Yeah, that's where the air quality alert is actually in effect, just because of all of that thick smoke and haze that continues to stick around the area. So if you do live in those areas that have been mentioning that air quality alert, certainly spend more time indoors. Change those air filters on your car. That is a good reminder. I just reminded myself to do that with some of your tips that you gave over there, Sasha. Now I'm tracking very strong wind gusts expected throughout the morning and into the afternoon in Las Vegas. Wind advisories, high wind watches today and tomorrow. Blowing dust, reduced visibility are some of the threats that we could be experiencing today. Now there's this wind advisory for all of this blue coloring, so the majority of the state. We're going to expect to see southwesterly gusts upwards of 50 miles per hour this afternoon. This is going to run in from noon until 9 p.m. You could experience areas of strong crosswinds, and you want to watch out for some blowing dust, especially if you're going to be driving along I-40 or I-25, both hands on the steering wheel. High wind warning in the turquoise color. Over in western New Mexico, there will be gusts upwards of 60 miles per hour. My biggest concern is really on the eastern slopes of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. That's where gusts can climb upwards of 70 miles per hour this afternoon and into the evening. That could create possibly damaging winds down tree branches as well as power lines, so you want to be extra cautious and look out for that. Here's the forecast wind speed for Las Vegas. Take a look at that. 30 to 40 mile per hour winds by that lunchtime hour, and it will start to die down as we move into the late evening, but peak gusts upwards of 55 miles per hour is expected for later this afternoon. Quick look at some of the smoke from all of the fires really slashing through central New Mexico right now. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon will be pretty similar, also very gusty and dusty. Tuesday, a little bit more of a relief with the winds, but temperatures will continue to stay really warm and above average.